Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create print-on-demand products with Canva. So first things first, you need to pick a service that prints and ships your design. So you can choose Printify. You have to create an account here. You can create an account using your Google. And here it is. Now, once you have your Printify account or once you have created your account right here, then you can now go to Canva and then design your product. So this time I will be selling shirt. So I'm going to search for t-shirts right here for a template, and then I can now start designing my t-shirt. So I can go to design and then pick from any, or I can start from scratch. Everything is up to me or up to you. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to change the picture. So I'm going to change this with coffee. Go to elements, search for coffee, tap on graphics, and then replace this with a coffee image. I can delete this avocado right here. Okay, and then resize. Change also this with my shirt statement. And then I can also change the color. Okay, so everything is up to you. Now you can add more like stickers or any other design. You can also change the color if you want. Font color, font size, everything is up to you. Now, once you're okay with the result, what you're going to do next is tap on the share icon above, and then you have to download this as PNG. Now, once you have your design, you can now go back to Printify and then create order right here, manual. Now you have to look for sample catalog right here. So I'm going to use this one. Okay, start designing. Now I'm going to upload the design that I have created using Canva. And I can now also edit this with the Printify editing tool. But actually that one is optional. So I can also change the size on the right side and then just do whatever I want to do here in order for me to create a good design. Once done, then I have now my product in Printify. So in order for me to basically set a price and publish, I just have to go back to my home page. Now I can set a retail price that covers base cost and then write a good title and publish it to my store and marketplace. I can also promote this, or you can also promote this your product to Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and so on. Or if you have a store here, you just have to connect your Pintify to store, for example, Etsy and Shopify. You can also promote this to Pinterest. Just add the link here. And then if people click this one, it will take them directly to your Printify and then they can buy the product. And basically, that's how to create print-on-demand products with Canva. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.